Hello Excel students, and welcome to a quick review on Chapter 9, looking at this was the chapter that we did the complex problem solving, or solver, and also we learned how to do different scenarios so that we could compare some differences in our planning for different things in our worksheet, and then we learned how to do a scenario summary. In this particular item, we're on Lab 9-2, Michael's Chocolates, and we had investigated two different scenarios here and changing the total, let's see, I think we changed the different profit per item or the space taken. Now I can't remember exactly what we changed, but we were looking at differences that would make in our total profit overall, and our total space per square feet. Our total space per square feet, or total square feet used, is a constraint because we were renting so much square feet at a store, and we wanted to maximize how many items we were putting in the store, while also making the most amount of money, while also selling at least one of each of the items, and so forth. Alright, so we had two different scenarios that we looked at. To review the scenarios, you go to What If Analysis, Scenario Manager. Right now we're looking at the Profit 1 scenario, so if you want to show the Profit 2 scenario, you select it here, and then you hit Show, and then you see the numbers change back to Profit 1 and Show, and you can see the profit change. Alright, so to create the scenario summary, you click on the Summary tool, and because I've worked with this before, it's automatically selecting what it should because I had that in there already. But your program is just going to guess on the first time that you go through this, so it may not guess what you want it to guess. So you have to look at this carefully. So we do want it to look at all of our changing cells, and we also want it to look at our total profit per item and the total space per item in square feet. Okay, so we really need it to show B8, C8, D8, E10, and E11, and now as shown there in the results cell. So let's hit the OK button, and now when you see your scenario summary, the top part, the changing cells, is automatic because it's going off your solver from that to get these three items in there. You're changing cells from the solver, but you are the one that has selected the result cells, and in this case you needed to select more than what the default was when the computer picked that up for you. Alright, so in lieu of making this change, if this was the only change you needed to make, I have made a note on your paper saying that you can just view this video and call it good. Thank you.